Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MEXC to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Now you just have to launch any of the cryptocurrencies charts in front of you. If you don't know how to do it, by default, you will be here on this particular page. So here, use the search bar on the top. Then you can either look for the symbol of the cryptocurrencies, or you can directly click on the option of the crypto tab here on the top, so that it could show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies available here. So you can just hover over to any of the cryptocurrencies and then click on the option of the launch chart. Now, as you can see, I've opened the chart of Solana. It actually doesn't matter. All that matter here is you have launched the chart of cryptocurrencies. Now here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now when you find this type of list of the brokers in front of you, I want you to click on the option of show all brokers, so that you could see the list of all of the forex and the crypto brokers which you can basically connect here with TradingView. So from this list, you just have to look for the option of MEXC. So you can either directly look for it, or you can just come up here on the top, then use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Here in the search bar, simply type MEXC. After typing MEXC, if you are able to find its icon over here, it actually depends on country to country. So you may find it here over in this particular page. So when you see it, simply click on it, then click on the option of connect and follow further instructions. Like you need to provide your MEXC login credentials in order to establish the connection between MEXC and TradingView. But as you can see, that particular option is not available in my country in TradingView. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can simply open MEXC in a new tab just like so. After that, you can just launch the chart of the cryptocurrency, which can be, let's say, Solana. So after launching its chart, what you can do is you can simply use a TradingView for analyzing the chart with the help of these particular tools that are available over here. So when you find that you want to punch a trade, for example, let's say you want to take a long from this particular position. So here what you can do is you can directly go to MEXC and then you can manually just punch the orders. So this way you can use MEXC and TradingView both. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.